Hello. Today I'm going to describe the differences between photosynthesis and cellular respiration, and why they're both required for a plant to survive, and how they both work. Let's start off with photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs in a plant cell's chloroplasts, which this is a picture of right here. They're located in the organelles inside of each cell. The chloroplast absorbs water, light energy, and carbon dioxide, and uses ATP to turn the water and carbon dioxide into oxygen, which is a byproduct released into the atmosphere, and glucose, which is used in cellular respiration. This is an anabolic reaction because the light energy is being used to construct molecules of glucose. Next up, we have cellular respiration. This here is a diagram of a mitochondria, which is used to turn the glucose from photosynthesis into ATP, shown here, also known as energy. This is an anabolic process as the glucose molecules built up by photosynthesis are now being broken down into ATP. Like I said before, the ATP is required for photosynthesis to happen. Both of these processes are linked together. One cannot happen without the other. Because the chloroplasts require the ATP broken down by the mitochondria to make glucose, and the mitochondria require glucose created by the chloroplast to make ATP.